Welcome back to our channel J Fitness X Fat. Today we are delving into the topic of permanent hair removal remedies. We all know how frustrating it can be to deal with unwanted hair. That's why we're here to share some incredible tips and tricks that will help you bid farewell to unwanted hair for good. So, let's jump right in. Before diving into the remedies, let's understand why permanent hair removal is often preferred over temporary solutions. Time-consuming and costly methods like shaving, waxing, or plucking can be tedious, and the results are short-lived. With permanent hair removal, you can save time, effort, and money in the long run. One of the most popular methods for permanent hair removal is laser hair removal. It involves using a concentrated beam of light that targets the hair follicles and damages them. Multiple sessions may be required to achieve the desired results, but once the hair follicles are destroyed, the hair growth is significantly reduced. Similar to laser hair removal, IPL treatment uses a broad spectrum of light to target hair follicles. While it might not be as effective as laser hair removal, IPL treatment still provides long-lasting hair reduction. In some cases, prescription medications can help to reduce unwanted hair growth. These medications work by altering hormonal levels that contribute to excessive hair growth. However, do consult with a medical professional before considering this option. Natural remedies. If you prefer natural alternatives, there are some remedies you can try at home. For example, a paste made from turmeric and yogurt applied to the skin can help reduce hair growth over time. Other natural remedies, like sugar and lemon juice paste or a mixture of papaya and turmeric, are believed to have hair-reducing properties. Whether you choose a professional treatment or opt for home remedies, there are a few important tips to keep in mind. Ensure you follow the instructions carefully, be patient, and understand that consistency is key. Also, be mindful of any skin allergies or irritations that may arise and adjust your treatment according to your skin type. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.